Hey guys, it's Perk with Perk's Precious Metals again. I had recorded a unpacking video yesterday and was getting into the editing, and it was just a hot mess. So everything I've got here is unpacked, but I'm going to go through the 5 packages that I received yesterday. I'm pretty excited about all of them. I'm going to start with the first one that I opened up. It was from East Coast Prospecting, ECP, and he had sent me my very first Barber Quarters and half dollars. I've got an 1884 here with some, let's get a little extra light in here and see if we can help this out some. There we go. Some reasonable detail in there. Digging that. So ECP, thank you for my very first Barber Quarters and half dollar. I'm really stoked about this. Got an 1892. Now, guys, ladies, I'm just now getting into currency and collecting. I started out stacking, and as I learn through you guys and read up and study, I am just getting enthralled with this stuff. It's great. So this 1892 looking good, and then an 1899 half, and that says very good. Again, I don't know enough about the pneumatic side of everything to say yay or nay, but I am absolutely excited to have them and start studying them. So ECP, thank you so very much for those. Secondly, I got a few things actually from Coin Crew. If anybody's on there, they know that there's auctions and store sales and all kinds of things going on. They're always doing something, Keith and Angel. This one is actually part of a set, and oddly enough, this Ramsey, which I believe is 2017, yeah, 2017, has the same coin except with his actual masked face instead of the skeleton. So this is the second edition, and there are plenty more in the set. I tried to get the hooded version through, I believe, another auction, and I got sniped, which happens to all of us, I suppose. So let's keep that open actually. There's that. And then I also picked up a half-ounce Proof Libertad. Now, in all of this, I have really, really fallen in love with the Libertads. And honestly, I think they're my currency of choice, to be honest. I just love the designs. I love the backgrounds, the cleanliness, the sharpness. It's all there. And to have a proof half ouncer is pretty cool. They made quite a few of them, and not a biggie, but it's my first half ouncer, and we always talking fractional on these channels. That's the way to do it. And the last thing I got from Coin Crew was a First Strike Millennium Falcon. I haven't ever sent anything to be graded, and I know that First Strike's just a label. It's just saying that it was, part of the first generation. But I might send this one off. I looked at it pretty close. There's a little scratches on the plastic casing, but aside from that, this coin looks immaculate. So I may send that off, and I guess most of the time you probably get 69s, but you can always hope for that 70. And if you get the 70, the premium goes up on that pretty good. Third thing I got here was a pour that I won in an auction, and honestly, I feel bad Silver King stacking bullion. I I got this for a steal, and I think you know that too. And I couldn't be happier. It's a 2.5 ounce Dragon Bullion. It came in this really nice package here. And I mean, wow. Wow. I mean, just a chunker. I said it in one of my other videos. This is what, in my imagination, pirate treasure would be full of, is big, fat silver coins like this, not those teeny tiny things of gold and silver that we actually get in pirate treasure. Oof. Oof. That shine. I like that. I like that you buffed the back of that. That's really cool. That is just super, super nice. Let's set that right there. Then I had met a guy on the internet, and we got into a little bit of a bidding war on a coin. And he outbid me and stretched his budget just a bit, and emailed me and said, "Hey, I've got this coin. I'm sorry. I should have let you win it, but I didn't, and I won it, and so I would like to offer you these other two coins that are also in not the same set, but in the same manufacturing set for a deal." And I couldn't pass it up, so I took it up. So the coin we were bidding on was that. And my understanding is the Germanian Mint is not overly old, and they are putting out hella spectacular coins. Just beautiful. So I got that one, and then in addition, he threw in that one, which is part of a different set. No, actually, I think these two maybe. I'd have to look them up. I'm not even gonna quote. Got those two, and then this oak leaf. And I know for sure that the oak leaf is part of a different coin set because I've seen the chestnut and another one floating around the internet. But got those three from this guy, and I'm super excited because in addition to that, we've got the COAs to go with them. Now this top one's got a clean COA. The other two were shipped a little bent up and curled. I'm not going to complain too much, but you know, we all have our things. And last but not least, through one of our auctions, races, something, I won one of the allegories. And again, Germania just putting it out. Just beautiful coins all together. So guys, I appreciate you taking the time to watch my latest unpackaging. I'm sorry that you didn't get the first round, but believe me, it was just a mess. I was mispronouncing things. I was calling coins by the wrong names. Ultimately, the editing just became too much. So I decided to re-record. This was the unpackaging from last night. I couldn't be happier. I've got a few more things coming in this week, and we'll see you around. It's Perk's Precious Metals, and I'm Perk.